Hello, in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Motorola Moto G30. So you have to start by powering down your device, and when your device is fully powered down you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And now use volume buttons to navigate to recovery mode and then press power button. And when no command shows up on your screen, press power button and volume down button and then press volume up button. And as you can see, now I'm in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate using volume buttons and select your choice by power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.